both objects wired, and I can select both of those and we can do blinks, and we can even add some expression, you know, make the character angry. So you can see the power that's added to the eye controls. And what we want to do is make sure that these can't be rotated in ways that are detrimental to the look of the objects. So if we go into our hierarchy, and one thing we don't need to do is rotate it around like this, which is on the Z rotation axis. So if we go to link information in our hierarchy tab, we can lock the Z rotation, and you'll notice if I just bring up local transform here, the Z rotation axis has disappeared. As I switch it on and off, it appears and disappears. Same for this dummy over here, the Z rotation. And we also don't want to rotate the look at constraint as well. We don't want to rotate the look at constraint around here as well. So we'll lock the Z on that one as well. Or is it the Z? No, it's the Y. So on that one it's the Y rotation. And we probably don't want that either. And we could probably use that because it'll allow us to blink. We can just select the center controller to do blinks, and then we can select our our singular controllers to do winks and squint one eye or whatever. So on the larger main controller, that one's fine, but we don't want the Z rotation. So just lock the Z rotation, and then we've only got the one available to us. So we've got movement in our eyes, we've got blinks, and we have singular control that also has some varying attitudes that we can give it as well. So that's a very simple eye rig for I mean, you don't really require all the modeling that we've done. If you do have a character that just has a very simple map, maybe even a gradient map, map to a sphere to give you an eye, design, then you could always use this rig to control the eyes, and it's a very handy rig for eye controls. Very simple, very